Okay, now on some of these aluminium rims, as I've explained to you before, we've got a well at the front that the tyre drops into, and then we normally would have a tapered edge on the back to help the tyre pump up. Unfortunately, well, the manufacturers have made a bit of a decision for us. It does make the tyre a lot easier to get on and off, but you'll see here, you can see in there, we've got a well also very close to this back section of the rim. Instead of having a nice tapered edge for the tyre to come up onto, makes these rims extremely difficult, even in a workshop situation, to be able to re-inflate them. So for that reason, we've come up with the Bead Bazooka. Not too big, we can unscrew this and it becomes not a real big thing to carry with us, but certainly a huge advantage if we do have to pump one of these tyres up. Pretty much the only way you'll do it safely. Now I'm just charging it up at the moment. Well, we're just using our 12 volt compressor. We've got somewhere around 60 pound in there now, that's plenty. So we need to get some air going into the tyre. We'll just put our compressor onto the tyre. Because all the Bead Bazooka is going to do is seat it onto the rim for us. Then the compressor will take over and pump the tyre up. You'll see what I'm talking about. No matter what I do here, I can tie ropes around it, bounce this up and down, plenty of lubrication in it. It is not going to pump up. We are not going to get that thing to pump up. So, get it to sit the best we can. Get the seal at the back on pretty well. The part where we've got the gap, have the valve to the bottom so it's sealed around that area fairly well there. Get a bit of lube onto it as well. Just give a bit of lube in there to help that sealing process. On the back as well, get plenty in there. Then we just need to sit the bazooka into that area. So that what's going to happen, the air is going to come out through here. We've got a bladder inside of here. The air is going to come out directly into the tyre and help that come onto the rim so the pump can take over and pump it up. There you go. You hear there's no air leaking through there now. Oh, that tyre will pump up nice and easy.